All right, this is Ross the Fig Boss. I get a common question a lot. Every single season, at the end of the year, people say, hey Ross, should I remove my figs off my tree now that the trees are going dormant, now that the trees are going to sleep, now that it's the winter time, does it make sense to remove them, or can I just leave them on? Does it hurt the tree? Does it help the tree? What's the deal? Well, I think you should remove them in a couple situations. First and foremost, if you're gonna wrap your fig tree, you're gonna protect it for the winter time. Any of this material left on the tree, whether that's leaves or figs, is going to create condensation underneath the wrapping. And all that excess condensation can actually create mold. So you want to avoid that at all costs. Don't leave any of the leaves on, don't leave any of the figs on. If you're moving them and you have them in pots, you move them into winter storage, I would also remove them. If you have problems with rodents or problems with maybe animals getting into your storage environment, that cannot be good for your fig trees, as rodents love to eat the bark of your trees, and they might even eat the fruits. But here's the one situation where I think you might actually benefit by keeping them on the trees. If the figs are large enough, or if the figs are healthy enough, and you have them in pots, and you move them into your winter storage environment, or maybe you move them inside, maybe you have an indoor growing setup, you can leave those on, and then as the trees wake up in the spring, or if they keep going inside, they're going to continue ripening. And you'll actually get some really early Breba, a crop that's even earlier technically than the Breba crop. And they're called, I think they're called overwintered figs is what some of the hobbyists call them. I've never had any of these myself, but some people have claimed they're actually pretty good. It's a nice little bonus, obviously, if you can get them before your Breba. That'll ripen really early in the season, because they've already developed here on the trees, and they've already put some energy towards it. But generally, you're not going to make this is not going to happen for most people, only in really special scenarios. Maybe if you lived in a really warm place, actually, and you had some figs left on your tree, like you live in zone 10 or Southern California, West Texas, Arizona, maybe even Florida, you're gonna maybe benefit by leaving them on. If there's no frost that damages the trees and puts them to sleep, maybe you can still defoliate them and put them to sleep. But then when they wake up, or when things start to warm up in the spring or in the winter time where you guys live, then those figs that are just on the tree might continue ripening and give you a really early crop of figs. So generally I would say remove them, but in very special situations, you could actually get a really early crop of figs that might be nice. Otherwise, it's not really that big of a deal. Leave them on or off. I think either way, it's not going to make or break or damage the tree or hurt the tree. So thanks for watching this one, guys. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button for me. Check out my blog, figboss.com, if you haven't. There's so much information there. See you for the next video. Take care.